piss on my pillow.
Tiny. Where? I ain't even talk. Feel good.
Go show them to your mom.
I'll keep you. You're not a threat. You're not a threat. She don't want nothing big.
Oh, he ain't gonna get big. I'm gonna have my uncle send me some pictures of the mom and the dad. He got 2 left, and that's her sister. And that's his sister, who is all black. And his other brother, who's black and white. Because his daddy's black and the mama white. See, I just turned 7 weeks. Oh, shit. How you get over here that quick?
It's fast.
Tiny. I love you, but we're going to fight about the phone now. Call him and see who comes here.
Tiny.
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 Ain't nothing in that trash can. Nothing in the trash can. Tiny. Don't start crying.
Still won't play.
I know, but I gotta clean up. I can't play right now because somebody peed on my bed. Hurry up and get your picture.
I'm just doing a video.
See how small it is.
Yeah.
Look. That don't make no sense.
I'm trying not to put your bonnet on camera.
Oh, he's shaking. Put him down.
Alright, Dean Ambrose. We're gonna call you Dean Ambrose now. Your name is Dean Ambrose
He ain't
now.
gonna call my baby.